Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two highly popular air fryers, the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. We'll be diving into the features, functionality, and overall performance of these two amazing products, helping you decide which one is the perfect fit for your kitchen. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful product comparisons. Now let's get started. When it comes to capacity, both air fryers offer ample space for your cooking needs. The Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL boasts a 5.5 quarts, non-stick basket and crisper plate, allowing you to cook up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings with ease. Similarly, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer provides enough room to prepare 4 to 6 servings, making it perfect for quick, delicious meals and appetizers. When it comes to versatility, both air fryers offer a variety of cooking programs to cater to your culinary preferences. The Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL encompasses 5-in-1 functionality with air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate programs. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer takes versatility to the next level with 6-in-1 functionality including air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate programs. Both products offer the flexibility to cook a wide range of delicious dishes. When it comes to healthy cooking, both air fryers perform admirably. The Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL claims to offer up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods, making your meals healthier without compromising on taste. Similarly, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer utilizes its innovative EvenCrisp technology, allowing for a perfect golden finish with crispy yet tender results every time. Say goodbye to unhealthy deep frying methods and embrace healthier alternatives with either of these air fryers. Having a wide temperature range unlocks the potential for various cooking techniques. The Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL offers a temperature range of 105 degrees F to 400 degrees F, allowing you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. Similarly, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer provides a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees F, giving you the versatility to create gourmet meals with ease. Both air fryers offer the flexibility to experiment with different recipes and cooking styles. And there you have it. We've compared the Ninja AF150AMZ Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer across different categories, helping you make an informed decision. Ultimately, the choice between these two fantastic air fryers comes down to personal preference. Don't forget to let us know in the comments below which one you would choose and why. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful product comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.